Darul. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And thank you to the respected moderator. My name is Naila binti Ahmad Nasim, and I'll be representing the paper I wrote with my friends here, entitled Digital Tools for Zakat Calculation, Opportunities and Sharia Considerations. First thing first, I'm from University Islam Antarabangsa Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin from Perlis, Malaysia. And I would like to thank you for the ICODS for accepting my abstract and article submission, giving me the opportunity to present in this conference here. First thing, digital technology has transformed many aspects of Islamic finance, including zakat calculation and management. Mobile applications and automated calculators have made zakat payment faster, more accessible, and more efficient. However, zakat is not merely a technical calculation, it is a religious obligation. Therefore, any digital tool used must operate within the boundaries of Sharia. The problem statement for this title, for this article, despite their benefits, digital zakat tools raise several concerns, particularly regarding Sharia compliance, data accuracy, transparency in nisab determination, and variations in goal pricing across platforms. These differences may affect users' confidence and raise questions about the validity of zakat calculations. The study of this article aims to examine opportunities offered by digital tools in zakat calculation, identify challenges such as nisab inconsistency and data reliability, evaluate digital zakat tools from a Sharia perspective, and propose key considerations for a Sharia-compliant digital zakat framework. The literature review for this article shows that classical fiqh principles such as ownership, nisab, haul, and asset value remain the foundation of zakat even in the digital era. Digitalization through e-payments, AI, and blockchain enhances efficiency and accessibility. However, challenges persist, including data security risk, valuation of volatile assets, and inconsistent Sharia interpretations. The methodology for this article uses the standard gold zakat formula as a manual benchmark, such as nisab of 85 grams of gold, whole of 1 Hijri year, and zakat rate of 2.5%. Manual calculations were then compared with outputs from selected official digital zakat calculators. The fiqh framework is based on the hadith of Ali radiallahu anhu and principles such as hifzul mal and raf'ul haraj. Analysis and calculation example. Based on current gold prices, the total gold value of 55,638 ringgit of Malaysia exceeds the nisab of 47,770 ringgit. Therefore, zakat is obligatory and the amount payable is 1,390 ringgit and 95 cents. This manual calculation serves as the benchmark for assessing the accuracy and Sharia compliance of digital tools. Shown on the slides is the example of the calculation of zakat on gold. And this is another example of zakat calculation. Next, we'll see the interpretation of the manual calculation results. Okay. The study finds that most digital zakat tools are Sharia compliant. I'm sorry, I may have skipped some This is the zakat of gold, example of calculation on zakat on gold. Another example here. Interpretation of manual calculation results. Next will be Sharia compliance of digital tools. The study finds that most digital zakat tools are Sharia compliant when supervised by qualified scholars and when core fiqh requirements are applied. Digital tools offer major opportunities, including improved accuracy, wider access for users, better record keeping, faster distribution, and support for modern financial assets. These benefits align strongly with the maqasid al-Sharia, particularly Hifzul Mal and Raf al-Haraj. The opportunities offered by digital zakat tools. There's a few opportunities offered by digital zakat tools, such as improved accuracy and efficiency with access and education, transparency and record keeping, faster distribution, and modern asset handling, and Sharia oversight required. I may have explained in simple terms of a few slides. The next will be the limitations and risks of digital tools in zakat calculations. Despite the benefits of digital tools in zakat calculations, risks remain, such as data security concerns, lack of algorithm transparency, accessibility issues, and over-dependence on technology. In ethical considerations, a digital zakat tool must have data accuracy and consider the data accuracy and misinterpretation, the accuracy and transparency, in avoiding exploitation, accessibility and inclusiveness, and another aspect is in reliability and accountability. In fake aspects, a digital tool to calculate zakat must consider the Sharia compliance, the scholarly supervision and madhab clarification, in handling complex assets, avoiding oversimplification, and the intention and valid payment channels. And next will be the findings and recommendations. This study of this article recommends real-time price updates, transparent calculation methods, stronger Sharia governance, improved accessibility, verified zakat distribution channels, and greater standardization across platforms. In conclusion, this study demonstrates that digital tools can significantly enhance zakat calculation while remaining within Sharia principles. Differences in outputs are due to data variation, not Sharia invalidity. With proper supervision, transparency, and ethical safeguards, digital innovation can strengthen zakat management in modern era. The last, I'm sorry, it's not appear here. I have many differences for this article. I'm sorry, I may have downloaded the wrong slides, but there's another slide that have the references. If the moderator allows, I can share the slides later in the group WhatsApp or.
Okay, you may.
Thank you. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.